Sounds lit, can I come? Cool beans. A good spin on an old classic. Wasn't expecting that. She's a keeper. Dad never takes anything serious. Got me for a second. Wow. She went to 25,000 followers. A literally cutie pie. He got a good workout. Zinger. So sweet. What a guy. A rolling Rosetta Stone.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.